Well, here's a look of an abandoned Wendy's. They took all the wood down on the windows here so we can see in it. Looks like they're going to do something to it. See, there's a sign. Let's see. Yeah, there's a sign. They're definitely doing something to it. Got some friends here, some geese. Let's see if we can see in it. You can definitely see it. I doubt there's no power. Sorry guys, I don't have no food. They took all this down. So they're doing something. Let's look. Must have found a toy. Oh yeah. They're tearing it up. Doing something to it. Probably going to demolish it or put something else in it. I don't know. Looks like they're going to demolish. There's a chair. Wendy's chair. Let me see right here. See if I can get this on the side here. Yeah, look, see? Yeah, you can see it over there a little bit. All the other windows were tore down, so, or boarded up. I can't see the other side. That's it. They're doing something to it. Be interesting to see what's in it. Goes in here. Or see what they're going to do with it. Buddies. Sorry, no food for you. I don't have any food. Yeah, they're definitely doing something. Do it. Okay. Here's the signs. Here's the Wendy sign, whatever's left of it. You see the other side here. They've taken the wood down on this side. Oh yeah. That's your look inside your abandoned Wendy's.